Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to permanently delete HBO Max account. I opened HBO Max the other day and decided I wanted to fully remove my account, but I quickly realized it's not just one click or process. So I logged into the website and first went into my profile section in the top right corner where subscription settings are stored, and before anything else, I had to cancel my active subscription by selecting the cancel option and following the on-screen prompts until it was confirmed. Then I waited for the subscription to fully expire since the account can be deleted while it's still active. And after that, I went to the official account deletion page where I entered my login details and account email, and if needed, I could cover the emails through the forgot email option, then submitted the deletion request and checked my inbox for a confirmation message from HBO Max. And once I opened that email and clicked the final delete confirmation link, the account removal process was completed, which honestly feels a bit more structured than expected, but makes sense since it's tied to billing and security before fully closing everything down. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.